In this video, I'll show you how to log out of all devices on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. So head over to your Instagram. This is our Instagram account, right? And if for any reasons you love to log out of all devices on Instagram, click on the more, right? Wait for it. Click on the settings, right? Click on the personal details. I'll wait for it to gradually load up. Okay, yeah, so this is our Instagram, right? This is our Instagram. And if you love to log out of all devices on Instagram, I think you're gonna click on this password and security. Yeah, so you're gonna click on password and security. Right now you can see where you are logged in, right? So if I click on it, you're gonna see all the devices you're currently logged in, right? So you can see these devices, this device right now. So you can just click on it. You can click okay, if I click on it, you can just click on logout, right? So you can do this for the rest of the accounts you are currently using, right? So this is basically how you can log out of all devices on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.